Hey guys, I'm Angie.
And I'm Lou.
We're Eat, Sleep, RV, Repeat.
And this is the Forest River Salem 171 RBXL.
Uh-huh. It's similar to the one from last week, but
The bathroom
it
is
has,
better.
yeah, the bathroom is better, and I
More
actually
storage.
like the way the bed folds out better than the double folding.
Yeah, the
So,
Smurfy bed I think will be more comfortable.
yeah. What do you guys think? Let's check it out. So before we go inside, where are we?
We're at the West Palm Beach RV show.
Well, let's take a peek inside this RV and see what we see.
Point. 17 RBXL. It's really similar to the one that you just filmed.
Except this one, the Murphy bed does come down.
Yeah. Nice bathroom.
So you have your wardrobe, your little night table, or side table, whichever one, daytime or nighttime. Your little pull up and down curtain to block out the light, which obviously is doing a really good job. There is your fold up table.
Nice refrigerator.
Yeah, the under sink cabinet and drawers. The sink is enormous. A double sink for such a small rig with 3-burner stove. Not something you typically see in something so small. Yeah, of course. And oven and microwave. Really dope. What do you think about these glass cabinets?
I like them.
Yeah?
I like the design.
So what are we looking at, guys? We're looking at a 2020 Salem 171 RBXL. RV sale price $23.65. I'm digging this little window. So you get a view while you're out here cooking. And then, oh, who's leaving? This dinette looks really comfortable. It looks like couch material. It does say more storage inside. Aha. And they have a Tupperware in there. Excellent. The other one's the same. You can see the little grab handle. What do you guys think about this window? Nice view from the dining room. And then window on this side. Empty space in the middle. I'm sure it's like grab through, pass through from inside. Your Furrion radio. And right above the kitchen is the AC. So no fan in this one, just AC. The fan is probably in the bathroom. Let's double check. Yes, in the bathroom. Right above the throne. And there's our sink. I like the way this bathroom looks. Hi! And, ooh, that's unexpected. Close this door, and behind the door there is more space in here. At an angle, but they're taking advantage of all the nooks and crannies. And another one down here. It's a circular shower. Prop your leg up there to shave your legs, ladies. And your skylight. Let's step back out of here. Peekaboo! You waiting for me, little girl?
Really?
You have to check out that bathroom. There's like an additional storage behind the door. I like it.
And the wardrobe on the other side is amazing too.
Yeah. I think you're gonna like it too. Yeah, you need more water. So here's the outside. We have our pass-through right down here. Blue, okay, she's gonna go ahead and double check. Let's double check if it is a pass-through. And turn on my light. Yeah, so you can see the door all the way on the other side. So it's a pass-through. Oh, look at that, the bed is down here. How funny. Lou loves these type of steps. She wants to upgrade our rig with those type of steps. There is another little storage right over here.